welcome to Watch Sixto. I am the host, Sixto, and today the video is on this newly acquired watch. I bought this on a Friday, almost a week. I got this at my watch repair guy. I got this literally for a steal. Paid $80 for it, which isn't too bad. I gotta take this guy apart. I don't know if you guys want to see a video on that, because I gotta take this crystal out and measure it to get me a new one, because I have a scratch. Yeah, right, almost catty corner to the 8, like right there. Then also have like another blemish between the 8 and 7, which is right there. So, well, what can you say? It's a mineral glass, which cannot take the punishment like a sapphire can. So I'm gonna measure it with the digital caliper. The case. Ooh. Let's see. Right now, the case minus the crown, we're looking at a 43. Almost a 44. The thickness, because as you can see, not much thickness there because of the and also got it on the natal strap, so oops, sorry for that, hit the camera. I'm gonna loosen that up so I can get the true measurement from there. Probably like 9.5, almost 10. Oh, never mind, it's at 11. I can't tell thickness. So, and the lug width, let's see, we're at a 50, so pretty much a 51. The lug width is at a 22, so the lug width 22. And here and the lug tip to lug tip, we're at a 50. Zero it out. Turn this off. So we're at a 50. It's on a natal strap, of course, single one piece. This is my first manual movement, as you can see back here. The beautiful display. This is a Seagull ST. What was it? 3621, something like that. I'll look into it and figure it out exactly. But long story short, Seagull has had a Swiss roots over like 50 some odd years back, and they were bought by a Chinese company, Taijin or something like that, and like in the 60s, mid 60s, they bought them out because Seagull was looking for a seller to buy their movements, and so China stepped up to the bat and bought it. I'll put a link in the description of that as well in the drop down menu. I love this, that beautiful sound, and the best part, you can see these two gears rotate. That's awesome. Don't know why I haven't bought one of these in a long time. These are, I always wanted to get me a Seagull watch movement. Now I'm debating if I want to step up and get what do you call that? The Seagull 1963 chronograph. But I guess I'll wait for that. I'm gonna zoom out. Hopefully, wait, no, I'm gonna turn off the light. There'll be no flash. I was using that so I could get some lume. Zoom out and try to put this guy on wrist. So this on my 7 3/4 inch wrist, and the best part is the excess overflow of a natal strap. You can do whatever you want to them. Me, I tuck it back into the same keeper, and voila, out of sight. Here it is on my 7 3/4. And then I'm gonna give you a loom shot, and I'll close it out then. Here is the loom shot. Pretty bright. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Until the next one, bye.